Dear scholars, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the revised date sheet issued by University of Kashmir for regular fresh private candidates of BG 5th semester batch 2020 and backlog candidates batch 2016 to 2019 choice based credit system session May 2023 for Jammu and Kashmir. So as per this date sheet, the time for paper is 2:30 p.m. So as per this date sheet, the first paper is on 1st of May 2023 and the day is Monday for all faculty, and the paper is English 3rd. Second paper is on 3rd of May 2023. Then 6th of May 2023, 9th May 2023, 11 May 2023, examination of generic electives is on 20th of May 2023. Note, classwork is already started. Most important point is here that all examinations for the backlog students batch 2016 onwards shall be conducted according to the latest operational syllabus, provided the title of the course is same. A separate question paper shall be served in case of change of the title of any course or paper. Latest operational syllabus means syllabus for batch 2020. If the title of the paper is same, then the paper will be according to the latest syllabus. Roll number slips, admit cards, and center notice will be available on university website. The examination of skill courses, both practicals as well as tutorials, will be conducted by the respective colleges before 25th of April 2023. So this was all regarding the date sheet for BG 5th semester. Hope you enjoyed this video. In the description I am providing the links of various subjects in which most of the syllabus will be covered. Do visit the description. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share and subscribe.